Hey everybody, welcome to Whisk and Knives. Come on in here. Hey, are you ready today? Today I'm going to show you how we make Moscow mules here. Pop a seat. Alright, so today we're going to be making Moscow mules, but not just any Moscow mules. If you're from Richmond, you know we have Belle Isle, that's not sponsored, but they're honey habanero moonshine. That'll be replacing our vodka. And you need one, not alcoholic, ginger beer, of course. And we're going to use some lime juice today. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to take your ginger beer, open that up, pour it into your container. Since I'm going to be making one for you and one for me, pay no attention to the cat in the corner. We're also going to take some lime juice. You think with 1 ounce or 2 ounces? Alright, we're going to go with 2 ounces of the lime juice. This isn't what we normally do. We normally do food, but today I figured why don't we switch something up and teach you a little bit about a drink that I enjoy making around here. A few of y'all had asked off of my Instagram page, which you can go ahead and follow down below. I'll also put a link down there. Someone actually DM'd me because I went to a restaurant called Lunch and Supper, and they actually serve this Kickback Mule. So it's just a regular Moscow Mule, but instead of the vodka, we use honey habanero moonshine. They make at the Belle Isle. Again, not sponsored, but if you are around Virginia, I highly suggest you getting some of it. It's like a Moscow Mule with a kick. So we're just going to mix that on up. I can already smell this getting good. So, then we're going to take some of our ice from our squared cubed ice tray here. I typically do about 2 of them. If y'all like seeing these type of videos, well, we're just going to do them real quick, real simple. I'm going to invite y'all on in. We're going to make us a drink, maybe make us some other food. If y'all enjoy seeing these, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can see when we do the next one. And you can also leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see. But this was actually a viewer DM'd me and actually asked on Instagram, how do we make it? So, and that is how you make the Moscow Mule. 2 shots of the vodka or the honey habanero, 1 shot of the lime juice, and then half a can of ginger beer for each container. We made 2 today. 1 for you, 1 for me.
Cheers. So
go ahead if you enjoyed this. As much as I did, hit the like button down below, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below if you'd like to see more videos just like this. Thank you for tuning in for Whisk and Knives.